I'm a third year graphic design student in NCAD from inner city Dublin, and I've been involved with ecological work volunteering for 3 years since I was 16. I know that I don't necessarily have like the entire perspective of it all, and being able to interface with people who are kind of at the top of certain industries and certain institutions, it really fills out the blind spots that I feel I have, and I feel like the other students think they're the exact same way. Obviously a tiny bit intimidating, just being a young person, and then, you know, this whole room that's full of these like high power executives. But I think that they also know that they aren't tapped in with the whole scenario. We're in such a new era with like digitization and even stuff like AI that's affecting graphic design right now, and we can kind of join together and co-problem solve.